Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. I washed the engine of my Renault Clio 1200 gasoline a few days ago and since then, I have had difficulty starting the engine, and once started, I noticed that the engine vibrates a lot, and I also noticed that it lacks power. Have I damaged the alternator? No, let's see. Here, based on the description, the problem surely comes from water getting into the spark plugs. There will have been a short when washing it, surely water will have entered one of the spark plugs. Then, it is shorting between the wiring and the spark plug, and the vehicle is probably running on 3 cylinders. That would explain why it costs start, because when starting, instead of using the 4 cylinders, it is only using 3, and then those engine vibrations would also explain why one of the cylinders is not working. Here, the key would be to disassemble the wiring, remove the wiring, clean it well, dry it well, and reinstall it. And thus, in principle, the problem should be solved. This sometimes happens, not only by washing the vehicle, sometimes, when there is an oil leak, which also floods, puddles, is also short, and then one or more of the spark plugs, sometimes they don't work. As I say, it's just cleaning it and checking that the problem has already been solved. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.